Hi folks, this is Tony at TravelScoot. In this video we're going to show you the versatile ways you can fold the TravelScoot Escape. Very simply, we've got the simplified folding mechanism. You can lower this just like that for a lower profile. Further removing the backrest, lowering the handlebars to this profile, and that gives you this. I'm going to open it up again. Of course, giving you this option. My personal favorite is with the yoke in place. Very simple. You'll notice that we don't have to remove the battery for any of these options. And then, of course, this lifting option where you have all components contained in the folded TravelScoot Escape package. Compact, low profile, again, will fit in virtually any vehicle. We have not found a car it won't fit in. No taxi cab or anything like that. The optimal, compact mobility scooter package. Happy scooting and thanks for watching.